Hello, good morning, students. Today is transcription number 95 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Sir, the Honorable Minister has said that because this bill is of a complicated nature, he has come forward with this measure to extend the blanket cover that is to be given by another 1 year. Sir, in my opinion, the bill as such is not complicated, but the government have made it more complicated by getting into certain things which, in my opinion, are certainly extraneous for the purpose of this bill. Sir, in the course of 1 year, this bill has come up before this House 3 times. This is the third time that this bill is coming up before the House. The parent bill was introduced in December 1983, and in less than 1 year, two amending bills were being moved before us. Even at the time when the parent bill was moved, it was suggested by several members, both on this side as well as on the other side of the House, that it is safe to enumerate in the bill itself by attaching a schedule to it to specify clearly provisions as to what would amount to an office of profit and what would not amount to an office of profit. It was then stated by the then honorable mover of the bill that it was not necessary to attach any schedule to the bill, and that the bill by itself as moved was comprehensive enough. Then, sir, certain difficulties were felt, and various members of this House as well as of the other House had addressed the Honorable Law Minister, then asking him whether their remaining in a particular committee would amount to an office of profit or not. Probably looking at the numerous letters that had been addressed to the Honorable Law Minister, he was in a dilemma as to what to do. He had come forward with an amending bill to extend the life till the end of December 1984. A committee was constituted to advise the Honorable Law Minister as to which offices would amount to offices of profit and which offices would not amount to offices of profit. Sir, I am told by one or two members who had served in that advisory committee that only once, only during this session, they were summoned to meet. I would ask the Honorable Minister, Sir, this question, when it was such an important measure, what was the Ministry doing from April 1984 till December 1984, accepting to come forward before the House with another amending bill of this nature? Originally, sir, only 4 months' time was asked for when the parent bill was moved, and it was stated that within that period of 4 months they would come forward with a comprehensive legislation. Then again they come forward with another amending bill extending the period till December 1984. Now, between April and December, nothing has happened excepting that the advisory committee has been constituted.